I've just sort of fallen out of love with social media really, and it's really just made me question whether I want to be on it anymore.
Because it's probably created today far more division and hate and lies and mistruths.
Out of 1,000, 10,000 comments, I always remember the one that hits you hardest, the hate comment.
Crazy. Last year, around 100 billion from digital advertising, and not one person who they rely on got paid a single penny. This is flipping that, and that's what got me, man. Because I just think it's important, it's vital that we give back. Right now, I'd love you to join me. Take out your phone and download WeAre8. Why? You know all those ads that you see on your social feeds? Well, your precious time has turned the tech giants into trillion-dollar companies. Now, I rep you, and I'm on a mission alongside Sue, here my great friend, and the talented leadership team at WeAre8 to redirect the billions of dollars that advertisers pay to Facebook back to you and millions of people around the world.
The shocking reality is that only an estimated 1% of people are actually engaging with those ads. And there are massive problems with digital fraud and brand safety, which have the industry in crisis and advertisers desperately looking for an ad alternative to Facebook. And in all of this, people do not get valued for their time at all. When people download the WeAre8 app, they are inspired by brilliant content. People are valued, paid, and donations are made to charities every time they watch an ad. 50% of every dollar or pound that advertisers spend goes directly into people's 8 wallet on the WeAre8 app. 5% of all the money goes to charities and 5% to a creator fund to fund more exclusive content. 40% comes to WeAre8 to cover the tech and distribution costs, and we have a very healthy gross margin on every ad served of 29%.
And we have a strategy over the next few months to engage my followers and inspire them to join me on WeAre8. I'm not alone. So many celebrities and talent are tired of the hate that is allowed to reign free on other social platforms. I'm joined on 8 by other Premier League talent, artists, actors, comedians, and environmentalists, because our collective mission at WeAre8 is bigger than reclaiming our economic value. Mobilising hundreds of millions of people to unite and take small actions every day is the bigger goal.
We have partnered with the UK's largest mobile operator, who have pre-installed us on all EE Android devices and are promoting us through their app and subscriber base. In addition, TV networks have invested in us and are providing airtime to inspire millions of people to download the WeAre8 app.
For context, digital platforms take billions of pounds in ad revenue from the UK alone every year. WeAre8 only needs a fraction of these revenues to be a significant player, and they already have media agency trading agreements and spend commitments that support this.
Brands and agencies are now under more pressure than ever before to use their ad dollars in a responsible and ethical manner. WeAre8 makes it easy for thousands of advertisers to buy WeAre8 with our sustainable self-serve buying engine, giving advertisers business results and insights that they cannot access through any other platform. With an average click-through rate of 30%, compared with an industry average of 0.9%. This is all done while supporting charities and being carbon negative.
Having been at Groupon, Uber, and WeWork, all during rapid growth phases, I have operationalized the rollout for WeAre8 in a way that streamlines and scales processes and teams as cost efficiently and effectively as possible. We are also a certified B Corp, so people and purpose are at the core of everything we do. And while we focus on building shareholder profitability and value, we do this while positively impacting the world.
So, I'm here to bring power back to my fans and followers, and I'm part of the WeAre8 movement for all of us to reclaim our economic value from the tech giants.
A tidal wave of pure love and helping so many different people all at once. it's quite overwhelming to actually allow your brain to process that.
WeAre8, we're beyond that biting point. We've found our gear. We're trying to purify and cleanse what social media is, as well as trying to empower the people that use social media. I care deeply for the world that we live in, so as well as everything else, but to be able to share that and hopefully empower people to take actions that can do those things, that's what I'm here to do.
If we can get this to the scale of Facebook or Instagram, we literally have the power to change the world.